Hello guys, in this session we have to discuss about the DAX function. In a previous video we discussed introduction of DAX, what is the use of the DAX and why we are using the DAX and what is the main perspective of the using DAX, right? So very simple example, like as I told you, DAX using for two things, basically calculated columns and measures, right? So today we are going to see practically how we are going to step into. So very simple. I take a data for CSV, okay? So I want to take the data like a pizza cells. I am taking data here. So first of all, we are going to understand what is the calculated column and we see the measures. So simple load it. It's loading now. So just wait for the moment, guys. Okay, finally my data is loaded. I can check it in the table view. Okay. So like as I told you last time, you can take a calculated column, right click here, you can take it from here, new column. Even it's better you can come to the table view, right click and take a new column here. Simple click on the new column. It's just like Excel guys for the calculation. See column equals to, right? So here suppose I want to calculate like pizza price and sales. So I will write here pizza price into pizza sales, right? Enter. See, so we just multiply this price and sales. So you can give the column name here, like you can say total, any specific one, whatever you want, right? Enter it, column name will change here. Same as again, you can right click add new column. Again, after that, you have to write here whatever. Suppose you want to plus, I want to subtract also sales minus unsold. So pizza sales. So plus minus multiply divide anyone you can choose. Right, subtract minus pizza unsold. Okay, enter, so you will get it. So in pizza sales I just minus the unsold, so you are getting the total of this, the output, calculated column. You can give any column name as per your result. Okay, so this is where you can do the calculation. Fine. So any data set you can simple upload. See whatever the calculated fields you can see here, which is showing here. Total, total, and here you can see the second I make a calculated columns, as you can see. So this column just look at this way. Fine. So this is where you can make a calculated column and you can just show on your dashboard as well. Clear? So this is a calculated column. Same way you're going to make a measure also. So measure will never display in the physical table. So for the measure, what we have to do, right click. You can see the new measure. Click on it here. Measure means what? Like maximum, minimum, whatever you want. So I want to use aggregate function like maximum. You can say max. I want to see the maximum pizza sales. Maximum pizza sales. So I will select here. Enter. So you can see measure never will show in the table. That's why I save the space in computer memory. Measure never display in the physical table. So now I want to see, look at the measure here. It's coming. You can give the name here like I given maximum cells. Maximum cells. Maximum cells. Because if you're not given the name, you cannot identify your measure. So measure never display in the physical table. Measure always display in the visualization tool. Okay. So now I will go to the report view and I will choose the card here. Okay, card used for the numeric value as I told you. Now I will click on the measure here. So now I'm able to see my major maximum sale 284. Understand? After then, you can choose any chart. So chart visibility not much clear. Suppose I take a chart, the column chart, and I put it here major. See? So you're showing, so this is a not more visibility, not more clarity. So that is why you have to use the chart like I told you previous as well. Once you're making dashboard, guys, so major is very important. So without major, don't create any kinds of dashboard. Okay. So once you understand the major is some great features. All again, I'm just showing you majors never display in the physical table. Right. It is always show in the data panel how many majors you're going to create. Same way again I right click. Again I take a new major and I want to make further another one. So suppose I want to minimum, say minimum pizza cells, minimum pizza cells. Okay, enter. Again, we have to give it the major names. You can do for the rest of them one by one with segregation. So here, minimum cells. Okay, enter. Now see another major. So major whatever we create is just showing with the calculator icon, guys. Always make sure you show with the calculator icon. So again, I will go to the report views and I will take another, like I want to take a new card to store the multiple values. You simply can drag and drop here. I make a two major, maximum and minimum, same like you can add for the rest of them. Okay, so I repeat once again, major never display in the physical table. Okay, always display on the visualization tool. Okay guys, so thank you so much for today's session. Take care.